All right, students, welcome back. So this time what we're going to do is we're going to translate this quadratic function 4 units right and then 2 units up. But when we are done, we're going to answer 4 questions. So let's get started moving it. Right now, if I were to find a vertex for the red graph, it would be located at the ordered point -7 on the x-axis, 0 on the y-axis. All right, so right here is where it's located. I'm going to put a black dot there so we can see it a little bit better. Okay, so we first start by moving the vertex 4 units right. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and now 2 units up, 1, 2, and there's my new vertex. Okay, so my vertex is now at, V-E-R-T-E-X, is now at -3, +2. Okay, so now we got to move a few extra points so we can see the rest of the graph. So we try to find some convenient points to move. Looks like this thing crossed right here. So we're going to move it 4 units, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 2 up, 1, 2. Okay, now I'm going to remove this so it doesn't confuse us. Okay, now we're going to pick another point, which if we pick this point, we should pick this one right here. So we're going to move it 4 units, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 units up. Okay, well, there we go. Now I'm going to erase this one, and now let's pick another one. Okay, and it looks like our next one's going to be this guy right here. So we're going to move it 4 units, 1, 2, 3, 4, and up 2. So it's going to be there. Well, if we move this one, we got to move this one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, up 2, 1, 2. Okay, and lastly, if I look up this graph, oops, sorry, put a little dot there, wasn't supposed to. If I look at the rest of the graph, I really don't have any good points to move. Yes, I could move this one, but when I go 1, 2, 3, 4, I could go 1. Well, my 2 would have to be up here somewhere, wouldn't it? Okay, and lastly, if I move this one, I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, but same problem, 1. And then my next point would have to be, oops, was using the eraser. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Okay, now I have enough points to see where my new graph is going to be. Holding your hand as still as possible and connecting all the dots, we get something that looks like, ooh, past the bottom. Something like this. Yeah, it's not perfect science, but that's okay. It's not rocket science anymore. Okay. So what we're going to do now is we're going to use the new quadratic function to find our, zeros. Do we have any zeros, yes or no? The answer is none. The definition of zeros are wherever the graph crosses the x-axis at. This graph never crosses the x-axis, therefore it has no zeros. Second question, where is my axis of symmetry located? Okay, I'll give you a few seconds to find it. The axis of symmetry, if you recall, is the location where you can cut this graph perfectly in half. If we look, it looks like we could cut this graph perfectly in half right there on that line. Okay, and where does that line cross the x-axis at? It crosses the x-axis at x equals -3. All right, now, is this a min or a max? If you take the little truck, you put it on the left-hand side and you push it as hard as you can, which way is it going to go? It's going to go down. So that means we have a min. Lastly, we already found the vertex, and the vertex was located at -3, 2. All right, I hope this helps. See you tomorrow.